Haka live ho tarik no pra arhajar arpuwei Dkhot jangka seng leno kabla shakhen bean kahinyo trap National Liberation Council lane ke Hnlc Dkhot jangka te ka seng balatip kerteng ujunel tongper ulawan Pyndem waj hakmat usri Inderjit Singh Rane ubadei IGP BSF Meghalaya Frontier ha border Outpost Umkiang East Jantia Hills District. Uniu erang balawan Pyndem waj mentakasngi udeu area commander ke East Jantia Hills baru badeiru nakasnong lomplut Umkiang East Jantia Hills ula join kum Dkhot haka seng Hnlc haus nam arhajar shipo bar hadien bola pentebit bhayalade ula trei kum Dkhot bapura kate seng udeu bala syakam teng haka Meghalaya Police Department bat ula laj no bat ula lej ban join biang bat kate seng haus nam arhajar arpo hadien ka jing join jung ula shong hapanai punhi district ha Bangladesh. Uniu balawan Pyndem waj ula kubur baudei wei na ki samla uba klam kam klam jam baru baduna ka jingnang jingstad ka BSF kala tre shitom bha kini ki shisnam hadu banda seiso bat ki ai mensimru yo junel tongper bandan bantah ki kamba bha bat ki BSF bat ki weiru ki samla ki bala sha elam bakla ba ki bawan phaipan ka BSF ka kloi banyerap yeki ki bahaying jong junel tongper kila penpau ka jing songu ya ka BSF hadien ba ka jingwan phai biang ka jong
The situation actually with the groups are always dynamic, and naturally it will send a very good message across that if any member of the group comes in the mainstream, they will also, some of them will also be coming back. The situation actually with the groups are always dynamic, and naturally it will send a very good message across that if any member of the group comes in the mainstream, they will also, some of them will also be coming back if we treat him very well. Again I will say the situation is dynamic in nature. We cannot confirm how many Hnlc cadres are there. They keep on, we don't have the exact figures presently. So whenever we will be having the exact figures, we will let you know. And whenever we will be getting the exact locations, we will be sharing with the media and also our counterparts in the Bangladesh.
So
That thing you have to assure us that he should not go back, because alone we cannot work. We require the help of media people and all the communities, that he should not go back to the other side again. We cannot predict all these things, because again situation keep on changing, but we will keep on trying to bring them back. Basically this is unemployment and the lack of motivation, basically.
Violence and leave the banned outfit Hnlc by surrendering before us. I, on behalf of BSF, welcome him to the mainstream and wish him good luck and happy life ahead. I would also like to congratulate the parents of Junel Tongpa and thank them as well for having their trust in BSF and help us in the efforts to restore the smiles and happiness in their family again. BSF is always there to help the youths who have been misled and misguided from the mainstream, and it is also assured that BSF will ensure that such youths get the facilities of skill development and vocational training and a remunerative amount as applicable post-surrender. In efforts to get rid of evils like insurgency, militancy, etc., we BSF and general public will have to work hand in hand together by eradicating the evils prevailing in the society like illiteracy, unemployment. Hence, I would humbly request to all the parents, village heads, and church leaders to ensure that our children are not deprived of education, as knowledge is power. I would also like to encourage the youth to pursue the services in defense and CAPF, where selection is purely based on merits, and especially for the unemployed youths from poor background. For this, BSF has been organizing various training programs for the youth of bordering areas, where we prepare them for recruitment in various forces like BSF, CRPF, Army, etc. Last but not the least, I appeal to all the village authority with headmen, secretary and executive members, the church leaders like father, pastor, parents and elders to continue lending their helping hand and support BSF in the process of educating and motivating such misguided youths so that peace and tranquility continue to prevail in the border. In the end, I would once again congratulate Junail, his parents, his relatives and friends, and I hope they all will motivate others, such youth, to come back in mainstream and live their life with peace, tranquility and prosperity. Thank you.